Samsung is launching 3 AKG wireless headphones, a selection of in-the-ear, in-ear headphones and in-ear headphones called the Y100, Y500 and N700NC, respectively. Samsung is focusing on balancing ambient noise with this series. The Y100s and Y500 models feature Ambient Aware technology that allows users to hear the surrounding sound, while the NC700NC has adaptive noise cancellation that allows listeners to control the amount of surround sound they want to hear. Prices range from $99.95 for the Y100 neckbuds to $149.95 for the Y400 in-ear headphones at $349.95 for the premium N700NC with noise cancelling over the ears. Although the N700NC headphones are the most expensive in the group, in addition to adaptive noise cancellation, the Y500 headphones offer more features. The Y500 can pause music automatically when the headphones are removed, and have a better battery life of 33 hours compared to 20 hours on the N700NCs. The Y100, by comparison, have 8 hours of battery life. However, the Y500 have a slightly longer charging time of 2.5 hours for the 2 hours of the Y100 and the N700NC.